भक्ति वेदांता स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे। निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय। जय। Okay, so we'll do a quick recap of Bhagavatam. So we were on Canto 1, which is creation. And last time we covered chapter 1. So can anybody tell me, and you have to raise your hands, can anybody tell me who is this? And can you tell me something about this person? Quickly, just in 2 minutes. Raise your hands. I can see only Vidit's hands raised. Okay, Vidit, can you tell me something about who is this on the screen?
Mataji, he is Srila Vyasdev.
Tell me.
He is the father of Shukdev Goswami. He wrote Bhagavatam. And he wrote many other scriptures.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, who is this? Yes, okay. Hari Bol, Aradhya. Aradhya Mataji, do you want to say? Do you want to tell who is this? And a little bit about?
Goswami.
Yes, he's Srila Shukdev Goswami. And what do we know about Srila Shukdev Goswami?
He taught Bhagavatam.
Yes, Mataji. She's right.
Yes, Hari Bol. Hari Bol. And he told Bhagavatam to whom?
Parikshit Maharaj. Because he was about to die in 7 days.
Yes, because he was about to. Parikshit.
Shukdev Goswami was the son of Srila Vyasdev.
Yes, Hari Bol, very good.
And the birth of Shukdev Goswami, he left the home, and then Vyasdev, that this story that Vyasdev come and spoke many shlokas, then Shukdev Goswami came home.
Hari Bol, very good. Who is this next character? We have only 2 minutes per character. Yes. Yes, Viraj. Yes, you want to say something, beta? Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Shukdev Goswami was Radharani's parrot, and he was not Vyas. He was not the son of.
Yes, so he was in the previous birth. He was Radharani's parrot, and then he actually entered the womb of Vyasdev's wife, and then yes.
Mataji, there is Narad Muni also sitting there.
Hari Bol, yes, Drishti. Okay, so who is this?
Vyasdev, Parikshit Maharaj.
Parikshit Maharaj.
Yes, Trida. So I would request, please, all of you to raise the hand so that everybody gets an opportunity. Yes, Trida, please go ahead. Tell who is.
Parikshit Maharaj. He is Parikshit Maharaj. He was cursed by the son of Brahman.
Yes.
Shrinky. 7 days. He was cursed by Shrinky.
Yes, that's right. Yes, Hari Bol. So, Trida, anything else that you want to tell about Parikshit Maharaj? We have 1 more minute left.
Mataji, Parikshit Maharaj heard Bhagavatam from Shukdev Goswami.
Hari Bol. Perfect.
Viraj? Mataji, I also want to tell that.
Yes, Viraj, go ahead, beta.
That Shukdev Goswami listened to a katha. That when you listen to it, you will not die until a particular age, or you will not die forever.
Hari Bol.
And Shivji was making her wife listen to it.
Hari Bol. And that's when Parikshit. Then that's when.
It's a native glimpse towards it, Viraj Prabhuji.
Hari Bol. Just before we move on to the next one, Parikshit Maharaj, whose son and grandson was he? Where?
Mataji was the son of Abhimanyu and grandson of Arjuna.
Hari Bol. You have to raise hand. I have to ask. Okay, Hari Bol. Next one. Who is this character that we did last time? Garv Kapoor, you want to say who's this character? Garv Prabhuji?
Mataji, this is Suta Goswami.
Yes. And do you want to say quickly for in 1 minute about Suta Goswami?
Where is Mataji? No.
Okay. Tanya Mataji, do you want to say something more about Suta Goswami?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, I think that Suta Mataji, yes, Mataji. I think that Suta Goswami said Bhagavatam.
Hmm. And where did he say? Which forest was that?
Mataji, it was a forest named N starting.
Nemisharan.
Nimish.
Yes, Trida. Nemisharanya. Yes, yes.
I am hand raised.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Anybody else wants to add one more information and any other additional information to this?
Is the disciple of Srila Sukdev Goswami.
That's right. He heard Bhagavatam from Srila Sukdev Goswami. Hari Bol. Okay. Now the last one, which is sages of Naimisharanya. So what do we know about the sages of Naimisharanya? What were they doing? And why were they doing? And we have to raise hand. I can see, okay, Tanya Mataji, you want to go ahead? You want to try
Yes,
this? Yeah, yes.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, the sages of Naimisharanya, they were asking questions about gods and demigods.
Yes. And whom were they asking question to?
Mataji, Suta Goswami.
Suta Goswami, yes. Anything else? What were they doing before they started asking question to Suta Goswami? I can even, if you turn on your video, I can see it on your this thing also. What were they doing in the beginning?
Please stand, you're not telling me.
Okay with it. Yes, go ahead with it, Prabhuji.
They were doing 1,000-year yagya. The fire will not blew up from 1,000 years. They were doing it for the welfare of the people of Kali.
Hari bol. And then
They were led by Shaunak Rishi, and Shaunak Rishi asked 6 questions. The first question was,
No. We are going to tell one information, one person. Okay.
Yes.
We have to give chance to
You
others.
have to follow. Yes, that's right. Okay, then
Thank
we
you so
learned.
much for the Prabhuji. That was so wonderful. And now we're gonna do it very quickly, very quickly, very quickly. Okay.
Yes, because we're late. So then we learned about the symptoms of Kali Yuga. We saw that, how, if you can see the chorusum, the people of in Kali Yuga are angry, they're short-lived, they're always stressed and lazy. That's the symptoms of Kali Yuga, right? Then Shaunak Rishi, on behalf of all the sages, asked 6 questions to Suta Goswami. And these questions were, he wanted to know what is the ultimate good for everyone, especially the people in Kali Yuga. What is that ultimate good for us? What should we do? Then he asked, what is the essence of all these scriptures? What is it that we need get to know from all these scriptures? What is the most important thing? Then he asked, why did Krishna appear on earth in the womb of Devki, Mother Devki? And then he said, we want to know about the beautiful pastimes of Krishna and Balram because they are very pleasing. They said, we also want to know about various incarnations of the Lord because they are very pleasing to the heart. And at last they said, after Krishna went back to Golok Vrindavan, where did the religion find shelter? So with that, now we'll start with chapter 2. So let's see how many of those questions are answered by Srila Suta Goswami.
yes,
You want to know the answers of these questions? Are these questions beautiful?
Yes,
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so the second chapter is known as Divinity and Divine Service. Now, what do we understand by divine service? And again, I would request all of you to raise your hand, and it is no wrong and right answers. What do we understand by divine service? What is service? What does the word service mean? Puratyush, Prabhuji? Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hmm.
Danvat Pranam Mataji. Can
Done.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Mataji, service means to ma'am, service means seva.
Hari bol. And what
Haribol.
what
Service
is
means seva. Now, I want to ask one more question. If we do seva, so we become less of a person, or it just makes us lower in the position, or it takes us higher in the position, or not just talk about position? Is it anywhere related to any kind of position? If we talk about seva, what would be the outcome of a seva?
Can I?
Mataji, if we do someone seva,
hmm,
we feel small that we are doing service of somebody.
Okay, so we feel humble rather than I'm not going to use the word small. I'll go with the word humble. We feel humble. We become more humble. Am I right with it, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji, you're right.
Tane Mataji, do you think that I have given a right answer that we become humble?
Yes, Mataji, good qualities that they're developing in us, and yes, we become humble, and your point was correct.
Hari
Thank you, Mataji. It was
bol.
not my point, it was your point only. I just paraphrased in my language. So, you all have given the right answer that with doing services, we become humble. Now, do you want to know why we have called it as divine service? We could have also called it service. Now, when we talk in temple, we just simply say, Mataji, I have a service. I have to cook prasadam. I have to, I have a service to decorate the temple. I have the service to make rangoli. Then why are we calling over here the divine services? Anyone quickly want to tell?
Yes, Mataji, I.
Mataji, can I try?
One second. Radha Mataji, was that you? Nimisha Mataji, was that you? You want to say something?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, doing service of Krishna is known as divine service.
Haribol, thank you, Mataji. Was it Prabhuji? Was your point the same or the different one?
Mataji, it was same, but I want to say we do service to the Lord, and the Lord is divine, so it is called divine service.
Okay,
Yes.
we do the service to the Lord. Radha Mataji, do you want to add something else? Your hand is raised.
No, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Tane Mataji, do you want to add something else?
Mataji, Vidit Prabhuji said the same point which I was going to say.
Haribol. So just concluding what you all, just comprising what you all have said, we call it divine services because we are doing it for the Lord, and Lord is divine in nature. So that's why the name of the chapter is Divinity and Divine Services. If we go with the dictionary meaning of the word divinity, it means something which is divine. And if we go with the dictionary meaning of word divine, it means something which is God. Okay, something which is transcendental in nature. So divinity and divine services, something which is transcendental in nature.
Not
And
lenses.
Mataji,
yes, Mataji.
Mataji, I wanted to say that divinity is also the abstract noun of divine.
Yes. Thank you, Mataji.
Hari bol.
That's nice.
Welcome,
Abstract
Mataji.
noun. Good to know about it. Because divinity is something which we cannot touch, but we can definitely feel it, right? With the experience. Okay, thank you for teaching us about abstract noun also, Mataji. Moving forward, Mataji.
Welcome, Mataji.
Yes. So we were in the forest of Nemesharanya, where we know that Suta Goswami heard those 6 questions. And then he said, "Thank you so much, sages. Your questions were perfect and they're beautiful. But before I go ahead and answer your questions, I want to make my humble obeisances and prayers." And he selected some very important personalities. Remember the praise that we did just before we started Bhagavatam? So
Yes,
this is
yes.
one of those prayers, and let's see to whom does Suta Goswami pays obeisances and does prayers to. So first of all, he prayed to Srila Shukdev Goswami, who narrated Bhagavatam and who is the son of Srila Vyasdev. And then he paid his obeisances to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And before I go ahead, let me ask you, why did he first pay obeisances to Srila Shukdev Goswami and then Krishna? Why did Suta Goswami think Srila Shukdev Goswami was more important? Can anybody guess? Who is she?
Mataji, because
Yes.
devotees are more merciful than Lord.
Hari bol. And who was Shukdev Goswami for Suta Goswami?
Mataji, I told.
Yes, he told in the beginning. Anyone remember what Vidit Prabhuji told in the beginning?
Okay, let me give you a hint. In ISKCON in the morning, whose prayer do we do first at 4 a.m.? Whose aarti do we do first?
Can I
Mangla
do
Guru Aarti.
Guru.
Mangal Aarti.
Ma'am, Mataji Mangal Aarti.
Yes, and whom do we do aarti in the Mangla aarti?
Mataji Guru.
Yes, and yes, Srila Prabhupada, he's Guru. Yes, so since Shukdev Goswami was the spiritual master of Suta Goswami, he first paid
Mataji Narsingh
obeisances.
Bhagwan and Tulsi Aarti too.
Yes. So first we begin with the Guru Aarti, Guru Ashtakam, right? Because we pay obeisances to our spiritual master, because our spiritual master connects us to Krishna, right?
And there was
Okay.
one more reason that he prayed to Sukhdev Goswami was that because Sukhdev Goswami made the major sacrifice for the development and the betterment of the society and the people of Kalyug. If he left his house so that people of Kalyug can have some examples, they can have some way to reach to Krishna. Yes, Mataji, over to you.
Hari Bol. Yes, that's right. So after Krishna, he prayed his obeisance to Nara Narayan Rishi, and then to Mother Saraswati, and then to Srila Vyasdev, who wrote the Bhagavatam. So remember these prayers that we did in the beginning? Or do all of you want to recite it together? And now, since we know the meaning of the prayers, in the prayers, Srila Vyas, we are offering, Srila Suta Goswami is offering obeisances to so many people. So in this prayer, we are doing the same thing. So let's read it together, and this time we know the meaning, right? Narayanam namaskrityam naram cheva narotamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayat udiryate.
Namaskrityam.
Hari bol. Okay. So now we will do there is an activity that we have for all of you.
Haribol. Okay, so before starting with the activity, I just want to give you a quick recap.
Screen.
Yes, Prabhuji, there is nothing to be. Said.
Yes, because that's the
Just have to
activity.
listen to my word. You just have to listen to my words. So what happened, as Mataji told us, Sutta Goswami, he smiled at the sages with great satisfaction because they ask the good questions. And why? You have to listen to me very carefully because I'll be asking some questions from you after this. Okay. He was very satisfied, and the reason being satisfied was this because these sages asked the good questions. And why these questions were good? Because they were for the betterment of the society, betterment for the people of Kalyug. They asked that what the people of Kalyug should do to become fully happy in the heart, because we must have seen many of the ads. 2 minute mein Maggie, 2 minute mein khushiyan. Okay, and then there are so many other. I don't watch TV much, but I remember this Maggie ad, and then you have this thing also. I guess Garnier cream and all that they're talking that get this perfect glowing radiant skin in just 5 to 7 days, and then everything would be perfect. You will get more confidence, you will become more happy. Isn't this what they're all talking about to make us
Mataji,
happy?
the Colgate one
No,
too.
Mataji.
Okay, the Colgate
We're
one too.
talking about something else.
Yes, thank you all for the valuable inputs. So he said that this is a perfect question, and then he gave his obeisances, which Mataji has told to us. Okay, now before giving to anything, he says that, do you know why your question is so worthy? Why this question, that what is going to be the best thing for the people of Kalyug? Because it is something which has to do with Lord Krishna, and that's why it is beneficial for everyone. Now what happened when you ask someone a question, you expect the answer, right? Yes or no? Quickly, yes or no? When you ask someone a question, do you expect the answer?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay, so these sages, when they ask this question, how the society can be bettered, how these people of Kalyug can be happy, who all wants to be happy? Give me a one big haribol on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hari Bol! Hari Bol!
We all want to be happy. So similarly was the case of the sages. The sages came closer. They were so eager to hear the answer. Are you all also eager to hear the answer?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Okay. So I have something for you now. And you just have to say yes or no. So you all can unmute yourself. You have to sit with paper and pen. There will be some picture coming on your screen and you have to draw along with it while giving the answer yes or no. Is that clear?
Okay, so you have to get your drawing books and your pencils and just.
Wait a minute, Mataji.
Yes, quickly.
No problem. We have 1 minute for it. You all can just get ready for this activity. We need paper, we need pen, and we need to keep our mics unmute. And we have to answer collectively just yes or no. Nothing else. Just yes or no.
And also keep your videos on because you'll be surprised to see what comes out.
Okay,
It will be fun to watch and learn together.
Mataji, what we need?
We need your drawing book. Sorry, Harikesh Madhu.
Drawing book and pencil.
Hari Bol. Thank you.
Can we get a scale?
That's totally up to you. That's totally up to you. Whatever you want to get, scale, rubber, eraser, anything.
Mataji, I have taken my geometry box.
Hari-
Okay, Haribol. So now it's the time exactly we're going to start. Remember the rules. Keep your videos on. Unmute yourself. Just yes or no.
Okay,
Okay,
Mataji.
I'll count for you all 1, 2, 3, and at 3 you have to say yes or no, whatever you feel like. Okay. So the name of the chapter is Divinity and Divine Services. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Yes, Haribol. Mataji, show us one figure which we have to draw on our page now.
So that's the first thing you need to draw. Are you all able to see?
Draw this horizontal line.
It's a line.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
draw
the only thing you need to draw. Turn on your
Just
videos.
this.
Hemant, Hitansh, Garv, please turn on your video. Radhya, Viraj.
Mataji, Viraj Prabhuji hurt his finger, so I guess he won't be able to
Oh.
on his video.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, I hope then you all are done with it. Now, were the sages of Nimisharnya were eager to listen the answer for the question or not? Yes or no on the count of
Yes.
3? On the count of 3.
Yes.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Preeti
Hari
Mataji,
Bol.
show us
Okay, so we have the second thing coming on the screen. So this
Okay,
is what you need to
what is-
draw.
They should be parallel to each other of same length.
Okay.
Just exactly the way it is being shown on the screen.
Done, Mataji.
Okay, so the next question, again, see, the rules are same. You have to give the answer on the count of 3 and together. Only yes or no. So the sages had asked Sutta Goswami what the people of Kali Yuga should do to become fully happy in the heart. Was the question this or not? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, show us what next do we have to draw? Oh, next line. Vertical line connecting these two horizontal lines.
Mataji done.
This is like a triangle.
Mataji is like a square.
Okay. Now we're gonna ask. The next question is, was Sukdev Goswami? Is Sukdev Goswami is the guru of Sut Goswami? On the
No.
count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji,
Yes, Mataji.
you can see the next line on your screen.
Done, Mataji.
Done? Okay, so the next question is, did Sut Goswami appreciated the answer, the questions asked by the sages?
Yes, Mataji.
On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, quickly, 1, 2, 3, quickly.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji, show us the next thing, Mataji. The next line, oh my God, why are we doing so many lines? Let's see what's gonna be the output. So the next question is on your excitement. Are you excited for this picture to be completed? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, show us the next thing. Oh my God,
Very
it's a
bold.
kind of line. Let's see what's it gonna be after this. Okay, I am so excited and I've just Let's go for the next question. What should be the next question? Are we all actually happy in this Kalyug? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
No.
No,
No.
Mataji.
No.
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 Okay. Oh my God. Again, one more line appeared on the screen. What is going to be now?
No.
Quickly draw this. Quickly draw this line as well.
Done, Mataji.
Done. Okay. So, while Goswami was paying his obeisances, did he paid obeisances to Narayan? Yes or no? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, show us the next thing, Mataji. Oh, it's again a line. I don't know what is in the box for us. Done with the line?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Can you wait?
Sure, Mataji. I'm waiting. No problem.
We are done.
Okay, Viraj Prabhuji. Thank you, Tane Mataji. It's looking perfect. Done, Tirtha Mataji?
Done, Mataji.
Done, Mataji.
We will be good friends to each other and we'll wait for our other friends also to finish. Okay,
Yes.
just one more second and then we'll stop. Then we'll go for the next question. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next question. I hope Tirtha Mataji, you're done with it. So my next question is, did Sukhdev Goswami left his house or not? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, Mataji, do we have any other things after
Yes,
this?
we have just one more thing.
Okay, so now it seems to me a chocolate Kit Kat bar. Does this seems to you like that also?
No, Kit Kat has 4 only or 2 sticks. It is like a piano.
Yes, piano.
Wow.
It's like
See, we all have different perspectives for each thing. Now the last question and the drum
It's
roll.
like a
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so the next question is. Thank you, Viraj Prabhuji, for the drum roll.
Mataji, there is only 5 to 6 lines, लेकिन माताजी मैंने बहुत सारी lines बनाई है पतली.
Okay.
Mataji, that's totally fine. It's okay. So the next question is.
Shall I ask the next question?
Yes, Mataji, go for it.
Okay. So the father of Suta Goswami was Roma Harsha Suta. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, Mataji. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, what is this?
It's type of a bag.
It's a bag.
No.
Bag.
We get to see. We will get
No.
to see what it's gonna be. What
It's
it's
a
gonna be.
sheep.
Let's draw. Let's draw. Vijay has.
It's a singhasan.
Okay, let's see what it's gonna be. We all gonna be surprised with the result. Trust me, we are going to be.
Yes. And Nisha Mataji, this last thing, do we want to show that now?
Yes, Mataji. So
Okay,
are we
so-
ready for the grand reveal?
yes,
It's a happy meal from Domino's.
It's not a happy meal, but yes, it will be happy for you at the end.
Yes.
Okay, Mataji, we are ready for the grand reveal. Oh,
Oh.
Oh, it is a cage.
okay. So
Yes.
now, again, Mataji will sing the hand raise and she'll be asking you all and I'll be asking
May I draw this board?
Yes, there is a bird. You don't have to draw the
Mataji, I
bird.
know
You just
that
sit
why
down.
we made this Mataji, because it is a parrot that
No.
No,
We
no,
don't
no.
have to go there. We don't have to
No,
go
no,
there. We have to keep the suspense for others.
Yes. And
Okay.
it's not a parrot. Yes. It's just a bird. It's just a bird. Any bird, whatever bird you like.
Haribo. Now, what we're
Yes,
gonna
you can
do-
draw the bird. Make it very simple. Don't make it too fancy. It's make very simple bird. In another 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Simple bird.
Until the point you all are drawing, I'm gonna tell you the rules and regulations for the next activity. What you have to do, you have to keep yourself on mute. If you have to answer, you will raise your hand and you will just say only one point so that your other friend can complete it. Okay, we'll give chance to everyone.
Okay. You can raise your hand on the app or you can raise your hand like this. I can see your videos for children whose videos is on. So both of that is fine. Whatever is more comfortable. Okay.
So I guess you all are able to finish it. Now my first question is going to be, who is this and what is around the bird? Tane Mataji, yes.
What do you mean by who is this? Mataji, what do
What
you
is inside the cage? Yes.
also Mataji, bird is inside the a cage.
Okay, so the first answer is given to us that this is a cage and there is a bird inside this cage. Now moving to next question, which can be answered by Pratyush Prabhuji. Pratyush Prabhuji, the question is, should we clean the cage? Yes or no?
I think that we should clean the cage or
That's it. Do we need to clean the cage? Or yes or no?
yes, Mataji.
Thank you, Pratyush Prabhuji. Now, Trida Mataji, next question is for you. If we clean the cage, would the bird be happy? Yes or no?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Okay, so Pratyush Prabhuji said that we need to clean the cage, and if we clean the cage, then bird will be happy. Okay, Vidit Prabhuji, can you tell me what else does the bird need? Only 1 point.
Food, water.
Water. Thank you, Prabhuji. So Prabhuji has given us that the bird will need food and water. Now the next question is for you, Drishti Mataji. What would happen if we clean the cage but forget to feed the bird?
Mataji, the bird will be starting dying.
Okay, the bird will starve and there are chances that bird can die. Thank you, Drishti Mataji. Now the next question is for Garv Prabhuji. Garv Prabhuji, how would you feel if you had a nice house but nothing to eat?
If you had a big mansion, beautiful mansion, a big house, but there's nothing to eat, how would you feel?
Yes, Mataji, I would feel very bad, and that mansion would be useless for me because I would not live inside it because there is no food.
Haribo. Thank you, Garv Prabhuji. So Garv Prabhuji has said this thing. Even he had a very big villa, very nice mansion, but if he would have nothing to eat, he will not like it much there. Okay. So the next question is for Niharika Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Do you know what your needs are?
Yes, Mataji.
Can you tell me? Anyone?
Mataji, food, clothes, a place to live.
Okay, food, clothes, and a place to live. Thank you.
And the most important, Mataji,
No, Drishti Mataji, only when we are calling the name. We have to be compassionate towards our friends and give them the chance also. But I know what you're going to answer. So thank you, Drishti Mataji. Now, Hitansh Prabhuji, you seems very ready. You have on your video for this answer, I guess. Okay. So thank you for that. The next question is, what are the needs of your body and what are the needs of your soul?
We only need food, water.
For the body, and what are the need for the soul?
We need to pray to the God.
Okay, we need to pray to the God. That would be the food for soul. I guess Drishti Mataji, this is what you wanted to answer earlier?
Yes, Mataji, water.
Thank you, Mataji. Now, Aradhya Mataji, this question is for you.
Mataji, we want to give her food, bed, and clothes, and we want to open.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Now, Mataji, is there anyone who's
Yes,
left?
Radhya Mataji is right. I think she was there. She left.
Aradhya Mataji has just given the answer, Mataji.
Okay, sorry. There is a Radhya Mataji also, but I think she left. Okay, yes, Mataji.
Okay, so now the next question is for Tanya Mataji as she asked for it. Tanya Mataji, how would you feel if you only had a bath but you were given not any food?
Can you repeat?
The question is, how would you feel if you only had a bath but you were not given any food?
Mataji, I will feel, Mataji, I will feel like, what is this? Like, they are not giving me any food. So Mataji, I will go from.
Anna Mataji, you're on mute.
Mataji, I didn't understood your question. That Mataji, in starting, what you said, Mataji, that you
माता जी, I said अगर आपको सिर्फ एक नहाने के लिए रिसोर्स दे दिया जाए, but you're not given anything to eat, how would you feel, good or bad?
Mataji, I will feel bad, obviously.
Thank you,
I
Mataji.
will think that why they are not giving me any food if they are providing me resource for water.
Haribol. Thank you,
Haribol,
Mataji.
yes.
Now, what
Mataji, I think Radhya, there's Radhya Mataji, there's two persons, there's Aradhya and Radhya Mataji. So I don't know if we've covered
Radhya
Radhya Mataji.
Gupta Mataji, Radhya Gupta.
Yeah, so
Radha
if we
Gupta
have one
Mataji, can
question.
you hear me?
Yes, Mataji.
Radha Gupta Mataji, my question is, as everyone has given the answer that this is a bird, this is a cage, living in a cage, and we need to provide the food to bird as well, and we need to clean the cage also. Okay, so you have to tell me which statement is true or false. Okay, Radha Gupta Mataji.
Mataji, can you please repeat the statement?
Mataji, I haven't given any statement. I'm just saying that you have to say true or false. Okay, so the first
Okay, Mataji.
statement for you is the bird is happy when it has been given a good home to live. The first thing is this, but no food. Is it true or
False.
false? Okay, thank you, Mataji. Then the second statement is the bird is happy when it has been fed water and seeds. Nothing else will make the bird happy. Is it true or false? Radha
Mataji, I think this is also false. She needs to take bath also. More things are also.
Mataji, just imagine a situation where you have nothing. In a very serious situation, you are. What would you choose? Water, seeds, or if you already have water, then you can definitely bath with it. No.
Yes, Mataji. Then water and seeds. It's
Okay.
true.
So, as the answers given by you all, we can simply conclude it. And do let me know if you want to add something else. We can do it. And you all can lower down your hands now. The bird is happy because it is given food to eat, and bird is happy because of this. Bird will not be happy if you will forget to just give the bird food and clean the cage, because bird cannot eat the cage, right?
Yes.
Now let's see what answer was given by Sut Goswami to those sages. When those sages asked this question, that what is the exact thing which will make the people of Kali Yuga happy, and then you will get to know that why we put this activity for you all. So the sages all lean forward in anticipation because they really wanted to know what the people of Kali should do to become fully satisfied in their heart. Is it 2 minute में मैगी and 2 minute में खुशियां, or is it glow and lovely, or it is McDonald's का happy meal? What exactly it is the people of Kali should do to become happy? So he said, with so many Vedic scriptures, the poor, unfortunate people of Kali Yuga might get confused and not understand them properly. This is what happened. Na? One Babaji said this thing that you go and give this to the Pandit and you will be happy. You wear this mudra and you will be happy. You wear this ring and you will be happy. And all these things. So that's why the people of Kali are always confused, right?
Mataji, many people say that go to this person, he will give you the medicine of it, and the person says that please wear this and you will be happy forever.
Definitely. So that's why we all are very confused where to go. So the problem is, Sut Goswami began to explain, you see, the people of Kali Yuga perform so many different activities just so they can be happy. They go and watch movies, they go and party with friends, they try even to do homeworks, which you all do, so that they can be happy and they don't get scolded by their teachers, right? But what do they forgot is that they never actually become satisfied because they forget to nourish their souls. The example which we did with the bird and cage, if you are living in a body which is a cage, you need to take care of the cage as well, but you need to take care of the body also, you need to take care of the soul also, which is the parrot. Because without parrot, the cage is nothing. And for cage, for the parrot or for the bird, the cage is also a requirement. So we need to take care of both the things, for of the cage as well as of the bird, so that with that proper cage we can survive longer and serve more to Krishna. Now, who all are want to be happy, give me a big hurry bowl.
Hari, 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 hari,
Goal.
Hurry bowl. So we understood from this thing that if we really want to be happy, we need to feed to our soul, right?
Yes. Understand that we should feed our soul and we should also feed our body.
Yes, if we want to be happy, we need to do what?
Feed our soul.
Everybody is answering, you all
Only
can
one person is convinced. Not everybody is convinced on that.
If you want to be happy, what
feed
do
our body, we should feed our soul.
Okay, we should feed our body, we should feel our soul. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's sing it together. You will recite after me, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
People
If you're happy and you want to be more happy.
happy and you want me to
Be more happy.
If you're happy and you want to be more happy.
If you're happy and if you want to be more happy.
If you are happy and you want to be more happy.
If you're happy and if you want to be more happy.
Then feed your body and your soul.
Then feed your body and your soul.
Your body and your soul.
Feed your body and your soul.
So if I really want to be happy, what should I do? I should feed my
Body and
and my soul.
Body and soul. Let's now give it a round. Let's welcome Preeti Mataji. She's gonna tell us how we can be really happy. Is that 2 minute mein khushiyan or her time mein khushiyan? Over to you, Preeti Mataji.
Yes, Haribo. Thank you, Madhuri. So before we move on to that quick activity, I just want to tell you that what we do. So we do what we do to satisfy ourselves. We buy new dresses, design weird kind of dresses, design weird kind of hairstyles, gyms, eat so much, but none of that gives us happiness. That we just saw that the bird is happy when both the things are kept clean, which is the
Madhy's uncles do the haircut of a boycott.
yes, that's right. That's right. So we should take care of both things. We should take care of a body and the soul, the cage and the bird, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So
Yes,
we'll just
Mataji.
do, before we go ahead, we'll just watch few videos and let me ask your opinion on these videos. What do you think about it? What do you think is happening?
Mataji, can I play the video? I have it in a 1 unit.
Yes, yes, yes. That's good.
We can say video time.
Video time. Yes, yes. Vidyan, can you please close your door? My voice is echoing.
Yes, Mataji, just Manju auntie opened. Is it okay? Mataji, is it okay?
Perfect, perfect.
Mataji, it's showing Mr. Mataji's screen.
What a wonderful sleep I had. Oh my god. It's so good watching late night movies, getting up late. Oh. What's the time? Oh. Oh my god.
The voice is very low.
I had to submit my assignment today. Today was the last date. And oh my god. I have an exam at 11:30. How will I revise now? Oh my god, what am I going to do now? Mom, why didn't you wake me up? Oh my god.
I tried number of times. You only didn't wake up.
What to do? Where are my books? How will I study? Oh my god, what will I do now?
Mataji voice is very low.
Mataji,
Fine after this video.
Thank you so much, Krishna, for waking me up. Thank you so much. Oh, it's good that I wake up at time. I have to revise my chapter. I have an exam. Okay. Quickly.
You just try to understand the actions are being done.
Oh, Krishna, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful morning. It's always good to start the day with your prayers. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh, finally my exam is over. Thank you so much, Krishna. I was able to wake up in time. I did my revision. My exam was just perfect. Always notice,
The video is
whenever we
paused.
start our day with prayers, Krishna always help us. Thank you so much, Krishna.
Hi friends, my name is Mia. You know what? In the morning, I was really upset today because my class teacher scolded me in front of everyone. And why? Because I didn't do my homework. Just think about it. And I was so angry, so angry. And then I knew exactly what will change my mood. And that's my favorite KFC burger. So I immediately ordered it from Zomato. And here it is. The yummy, delicious KFC burger. Isn't it delicious? I can't wait to eat it. But you know what? I also have my favorite chocolate to go with it. 5-star Nutties. It's my favorite. So let me quickly eat it. What shall I make for Krishna today? For today's breakfast, what shall I make for Krishna? Yesterday we had pasta, and day before yesterday I made a potato sandwich for Krishna. Today, let's make a cheese veggie burger for Krishna, just the way he likes it, without onion and garlic. Let me get onto it. Oh wow! So the cheeseburger is ready with vegetable, cheese and no onion and garlic. Let me now offer this to Krishna. Oh, but before that, I need to put a tulsi leaf because Krishna does not accept anything without tulsi leaf. And I'm sure my Krishna would love this burger. So now let me offer this to Krishna. Let me also do a small prayer. Dear Radharani and Krishna, please accept this burger that I offer to you with love and devotion.
My day was not that great. I did not get good marks in my exam. So I just want to, chill up my mood. So I have one best solution. I guess I should listen to some good music. That will definitely take all my miseries away. Let me just go and listen to some music. Some music. But that was just temporary. I felt good for like 10 to 15 minutes, but after that it's again the same thing. I feel bad. I don't know what to do. That's so bad. Let me just go and talk to my other friend. She must be waiting for me. Let me just do that. Dear diary, do you know what happened today? My friend asked me a strange question. How I stay happy always. I'm not sure about the part happy, but I'm sure about the part that Krishna is always there looking out for me, and whatever he's giving me, it's perfect. It's best for me because he knows better. I told her the same thing, that I chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. I stay happy. I try to be with devotees and get their association as much as I can, and that keeps me in the state of contentment. So that's what I suggested her, that I don't go for the temporary happiness measures, I go for the permanent one, which is Krishna consciousness. Good night, dear diary. I'll see you tomorrow.
Rebol. So we'll raise our hand and what did we understand from different situations?
Mataji, how much time we will be now here?
Yes, we're just towards the end of the class. We just answer after this we'll listen to what Suta Goswami said.
Mataji, can I answer?
Tanya Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes. Let's pick up one of the scenarios out of the 3 that we saw. Tanya Mataji, do you want to do the first one?
Mataji, I can explain that what was in the video.
Yes. So in the video, there were 3 scenarios. So which one do you want to explain? The first one, second one, or the third one?
Mataji, the third one in which there was Nishtha Mataji.
Yes. Okay. Hari bol. Yes.
Mataji, in that you were saying that that Mataji, the real happiness is in Krishna consciousness, and Mataji, if we will try to gain a happiness from material things, that will be only for like 1 to 3 days or. So Mataji, the real happiness for
Yes.
our life till from birth to death is Krishna consciousness.
Hari bol. Hari bol.
Actually, I want to explain the second situation, which was you, KFC burger.
Hari bol. Let's just give a chance to everybody else. Who else wants to first go by the first situation, the first scene? Who wants to explain that? What do you saw? Yes, Drishti Mataji. Yes, go ahead. What did we see?
Mataji, we saw a lady who was a student who was sleeping, and Mataji, the alarm was ringing again and again, and so Mataji, she was stopping the alarm, so we should not stop and we should wake up early. And in end, she waked at 11 and 11:30. Her exam was there.
And why was she late why was she late in getting up? She said, what was she doing last night?
Mataji, she would be sleeping late night.
No,
Sleeping
Mataji,
late.
she was watching a movie night.
So she slept late because she was watching a movie.
Yes, Mataji.
So what was she trying to do? She was trying to satisfy her senses, right?
Yes,
And that's how she.
Can I take second situation?
So in the first situation, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, just let Mataji complete. So Drishti Mataji, in the first situation, what about the second time?
Mataji, in second time, she waked up early at 5 o'clock, and then what she did is that she took a bath, and then she prayed to Lord Krishna, and then she done her japa.
Yes. So out of the 2,
she was so happy that her exam.
Hari bol. So out of the 2, whom do you think was more happy? Yes. Out of those 2 scenarios, second, yeah. Yes, second was most happy. Hari bol. Hari bol. Okay, so who wants to explain the second scenario? Aradhya Mataji, you want to explain?
With it.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, yes.
Yes, Aradhya Mataji, go ahead. Yes.
The best part I saw, Preeti Mataji offer a burger to Krishna and make.
Hari bol. Right. And what happened in the first half of that video? Yes, Vidit Prabhu. After Radhim.
Order KFC burger and eat. She don't offer Krishna.
So who would be more happy? Mia, the one with the pink hair, would be more happy, or the one who offered the burger would be more happy?
The one who offer burger.
And why is that so? Why will Mia not be happy with her favorite KFC burger?
Because she don't offer the Krishna.
Yes. So can you differentiate between the cage and the soul? Was the burger for the soul, or was the KFC burger for the soul, or was the KFC burger for the body, the cage or the bird?
The soul.
The KFC burger was for the soul, or was it for the body?
Body.
Body Mataji.
Mataji,
Yes.
I can.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Niharika, Haribol. Yes, the KFC burger was for the body. And what about the second burger? See, both of them were burger. What about the second burger? Was that for the body or was that for the soul?
Soul.
Yes,
For
it,
the
it did
soul.
both the things. It nourished the body and it also satisfied the soul. So it does both the job. The second burger, not only, of course, it gave strength to the body. When we eat something, it generates energy. So it gets strength to the body, but it also nourished the soul. Now let's see. So we saw these beautiful things. Now let's see how Suta Goswami answered the questions of the sages. So the first question that the sages had asked, what is the benefit or what is the best good for all the people?
See, this
And
situation was greedy.
greedy, yes, yes, eat. When you want everything for oneself, then it's greed. Yes, that's right. So Suta Goswami said that people in Kali Yuga perform so many different activities to keep themselves happy, like eating a KFC burger, watching movies in the night and getting a plate, and listening to different kind of music and still not being happy. But they are never satisfied because they forget to nourish the soul. So what people in Kali Yuga do, they only clean the cage. What we are doing, we are only cleaning the cage and we are never nourishing our soul. We never giving food to the soul. So Sutta Goswami further said that when we feed our soul, we becomes really happy. But how should we feed our soul? We should feed our soul by constantly doing loving service to the Lord and the devotees. And we should always think all day and all night, what can we do? What can we do that we are doing that we can connect it to Krishna? We should think, I want to do this to please Lord Krishna. I want to do well in my exams to please Lord Krishna. I want to do that to please Lord Krishna. What shall I do that will please Lord Krishna? Shall I tell about Krishna to everybody so that Lord Krishna will be pleased? And when we do such things, then what happens is that we get happy. A magic happens. When we put Krishna in the center and do everything related to Krishna, everything that we do in our daily life, everything, right from studies, right from playing, right from watching television, helping our parents at home, talking to our friends. When we keep Krishna in the center, it brings joy in our heart and our soul starts jumping like these children are jumping. The soul becomes happy, the bird becomes happy. So we should always desire to have a healthy life, which means we should always clean the cage, but we should always focus on feeding the bird, which is our soul, by fully satisfying the Lord. So therefore, everything that we do should be to please Krishna, because when we please Krishna, we will be satisfied. Right? Let me ask you a question. Let's say there is a mango tree, and in that mango tree, there is a branch that has lot of leaves. So if I cut off that branch and the branch falls off, and I take the branch home, and I take it to my home, and I said, oh, now let me do one thing. Now let me wait till the branch gives me a mango. Will the branch give me a mango? Will I get mango from it?
No,
No.
Mataji.
What will happen to that branch after some days?
वो सड़ गई.
Branch gets died.
Yes, it will die. The
Mataji
leaves,
dies.
yes, the leaves will become brown and the branch will die after some time. Similarly, when we do not feed the bird, then we also become more as distressed. All those qualities that we saw in Kali Yuga, all those symptoms of the Kali Yuga become true in us. If we don't feed the soul, we become lazy, we become distressed, we become always disturbed, always angry, always quarrelsome. So we know how to get rid of all these symptoms of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga. We need to feed our soul, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so we have another activity for you, Nishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Am I audible?
Hi, yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. So I can see, Trida, I can see your cage. It's looking so beautiful. You've colored it also red. Do you want to show that? The cage and the
Yes,
bird?
Mataji.
Hari Bol. So pretty. That's so nice. Aradhya, I can see yours also. Hari Hari Bol. Tanya, Hari Bol. Niharika, Hari Bol. Hari Hari Bol. Nimisha, tum Pratyush.
This activity, what we need.
Yes, yes, we'll get to know. So this is a quick activity.
Mataji, excuse me, Mataji.
Mataji, I have also made.
Yes, Pratyush Prabhuji.
Mataji, again we need our drawing books for this activity.
Yes.
Yes. And paper. Yes, Pratyush Prabhuji, you wanted to say something? You're on mute, beta.
Mataji, Radha Mataji's drawing, just give it a see.
Oh, Hari Bol Radha Mataji, very beautiful. Radha Mataji actually draws very beautifully. Hari Bol.
Bird in the cage.
हाँ, yes, Pratyush Prabhuji.
Not
आपके
outside the cage.
inside the cage. Yes, the bird should be inside the cage. Hari Bol.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol Mataji.
Are we ready for the activity time? It's just gonna be very simple activity and then
Yes,
we can proceed with the
I am ready.
class. So how many of you have heard the concept Secret Santa?
Secrets?
Mataji, I have heard.
Mataji,
Mataji,
please.
I have
heard.
Activity.
Okay. I guess Niharika Mataji was that, and
Yes, ma'am.
Radha Mataji has said something about it that they have heard, right?
Mataji, I have also heard.
I also with it.
I also.
Okay. So because let's see who all have raised their hands. Who will raise their hand first will get the chance.
So we have Tanya Mataji or Radha Mataji has raised hand. Vidit Prabhuji has raised hand. And Drishti Mataji has also raised hand on the tool.
Okay. Oh, now there are 5 raised hands. Okay. Tanya Mataji,
Niharika
1
Mataji.
point about the Secret Santa.
Okay, Mataji. Mataji, Secret Santa. Mataji, people say that that was Secret Santa was Jesus. Jesus comes on Christmas and gives us gifts. So and when Jesus died, so there is a Secret Santa who comes and gives us gifts.
Okay. Niharika Mataji, what do you think about it?
Yes, Mataji, this is a game in which we never get to know that who has given this gift.
Yes. It is a game in which we don't get to know who has given what. Drishti Mataji, what do you think about it?
Mataji, I was also saying that only. Mataji, it's a game.
It's a game. Okay. Aradhya Mataji, do you want to say something else? Aradhya Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, what is Secret Santa as per you?
Ma'am, Mataji, the game.
Okay, it's a game. Vidit Prabhuji, would you like to add something else apart from it being a game?
Mataji, we from some time some time before they say that Secret Santa is the son of Jesus.
Okay, we are just going to discuss about the game. We're not taking about this part, who's the son and who's not. We're just taking it as a game. So Secret Santa is a game where what we do is we try to make other happy. So somewhat similar to it, but more exciting and be able to go towards happiness. We got the game called Secret Seva. We got the game called
Secret Seva.
Secret Seva.
Secret Santa. Secret Santa also is there, that someone who become a Santa and no one knows that who is the Santa. One person goes out and from everyone one Santa will become, and the one who goes out, that person have to tell who is the Santa in everybody.
Okay. Thank you, Drishti Mataji. So now in this game, Secret Seva, what you have to do is you have to cut down 7 slips. Okay, I have this with me. I'm going to cut down 7 strips like these. Okay, 7 strips like these. First, you have to cut the 7 strips. Quickly do it. We have 5 minutes for this activity and then we'll wind up the class. Quickly. Cut 7 strips like this.
Let me bring a scissor.
Mataji, I have made these types of strips.
Mataji, can we stop the screen sharing?
Mataji, I have made these types of strips.
That's totally fine. Any kind
Mataji,
of strips you want to make. I cannot see what Hitansh Prabhuji is
Mataji,
doing. I cannot see what Hansh
strips.
Prabhuji is doing. Hemant Prabhuji is doing. Garv Prabhuji, Radha Mataji.
You can get a rough notebook and take a paper from the rough notebook and then make 7 strips. It does. It can.
But I am cutting from my drawing board.
Okay, that is okay. That is all right. That is perfectly okay.
But the challenge is that we need to finish it in 5 minutes. Let's see who all are able to finish it in 5 minutes. So the time starts now. It's 47. We will finish it by 52 exact. So first you have to cut the strips and you have to write, yes, thank you Tana Mataji, you're done with the strips. And what you have to do is, after cutting the strips of any shape you like, you have to write 1 seva on each strip. 1 seva on each strip. Each strip. For example, I'll offer water to Tulsi ji today.
And make sure that this service is realistic and doable. Okay, it doesn't have to be very great. So we know that we can please Krishna even with small service. Like for example, like Mataji said, offering water to Tulsi every day in the morning. Offering 1 Tulsi to Krishna. Yes, Garv Prabhuji, you want to say something, beta?
Done, Mataji.
Mataji, I can't understand.
हाँ, so आपको क्या करना है, अपनी रफ नोटबुक में से एक पेपर कट करना है, एक पेपर फाड़ना है और उसके 7 ऐसे छोटे छोटे स्ट्रिप्स बनाने।
ओके माता,
ठीक है, आपको ऐसे 7 छोटे छोटे पेपर कट करने हैं अपनी रफ नोटबुक में से, किसी भी शेप में, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट होने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Done, Mataji.
Mataji, is it fine?
हाँ, perfect, Rida. Yes, Hari bol. Yes.
Mataji, I have done and written.
Hari bol with it. You've made 7 strips.
Yes.
अब वो 7 स्ट्रिप कट करने के बाद हमें हर स्ट्रिप में एक एक्टिविटी लिखनी है, एक एक्टिविटी लिखनी है।
Water to Tulsi ji.
Yes.
It can be offering Tulsi leave to Krishna. It can be offering. It can be doing 2 rounds. It can be doing 3 rounds, 4 rounds. Whatsoever many rounds you do. It can be doing your studies better to serve Krishna, so that you can be something and be the part of Krishna's mission. And
Mataji, done.
Mataji,
Yes, you
do
can
you have to follow it?
Yes. So first important thing is write it. Again, keep very small activity. It can be, for example, today I will offer a fruit to Krishna, right? Or you can say today I will offer a simple sandwich to Krishna. Or today I will.
You're left with 3 minutes only. The clock is ticking.
So now
Done, Mataji.
you've written all the 7 activities with it.
Yes.
Okay, Hari bol. So you have to write 7 activities in 7 paper. गर्व आपको समझ आ गया बेटा, हमें 7 एक्टिविटीज लिखनी है ऐसे छोटे छोटे 7 पेपर पर।
And when will we tell? We will tell.
Wait. Yes.
No, you don't have to tell. You just have to write those services and you have to share a picture with us.
Okay.
But we'll tell you what to do with that 7 services after 2 minutes.
Picture, Mataji, picture करते हुए लेनी है या फिर उसकी फोटो
नहीं,
भेज?
सिर्फ आपको सर्विसेज के साथ पिक्चर दिखाना है हमको।
Which we'll tell you. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, the clock is ticking. We are left with only 2 minutes. Quickly.
Done.
Nimisha Mataji, Hitansh Prabhuji, Ansh Prabhuji, Garv, Radha Mataji, Garv Prabhuji, are you all doing? Your videos are off. Nimisha Mataji is doing. Hemant Prabhuji, your videos off. Hitansh Prabhuji, Ansh Prabhuji, Garv Prabhuji. Do you want to unmute and say that if you're doing, you're able to do?
Yes, Mataji, we are able to do.
Yes. And what about Hitansh Prabhuji? Can all of you just unmute and say if you're able to do right? And we are also writing, so it's not just for you. This is for us also. We will also be doing the same thing and sharing our report to you.
Mataji, have you marked your attendance?
Yes, yes, Mataji.
Mataji, is tomorrow Nityanand Trayodasi?
Nityanand Trayodasi is on 25th February.
And tomorrow is?
Ekadashi. Tomorrow is Ekadashi.
Tomorrow I will keep Ekadashi, Mataji.
Hari Bol. That's very nice with it.
Mataji, today I keep Ekadashi.
Ha, Hari Bol. Okay. So how much time left? I think 30 seconds left, Mataji, right?
Yes, Mataji, only 30 seconds.
Mataji, what was the time limit?
Babuji, it's all done. I'm gonna count till 10 and we all have to stop.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Hari Bol. Hari everybody, Hari Bol. Okay. So all of you have your 7 chits with you?
Yes, Mataji.
So you all have written some or the other services on those chits. What you have to draw, you have to shake those chits every day and pick any one, whatever comes on it. Let's say on this slip it is, I'll offer Tulsi leave to Krishna. So for this particular thing, the task of the day would be to offer a leave to Krishna. So this you have to do for 7 days, and in the next class, yes,
Mataji, can we set a particular time to do the sevas?
That's totally up to you. That's totally up to you. When you want to do it, that's totally up to you. Whenever you feel comfortable, just make sure that you're able to finish that service, and you will be giving us the report every day if possible that you have done your activity or your seva.
For that day. Yes. Whatever seva that you pick up for that day, just do that. Ask your mama to click a picture of you while doing that seva and send it to us.
Okay,
we will also do that to you. And the seva can be as small as paying obeisances, doing Srila Prabhupada Pranam Mantra once a day, anything.
Saying Om Gyanan 2 times.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Vrinda Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, I wanted to say that I had one live class, so I left the meeting in between. So
no problem, beta.
So what was there in the session?
Okay, at what time did you leave, beta?
Mataji, I left 11 a.m.
11 a.m. Oh, okay. So don't worry, we recorded the whole class and we'll share that video with you. Okay?
Oh, okay, Mataji. Thanks.
So on this account, I'll just simply conclude the class. What we have done, and Vrinda Mataji, it would be helpful for you. In the beginning, we started with prayers, then we did the recap of the classes, there we talked about the questions, and after that, we did the activity related to cage and bird cage and why it is important to feel the soul and the body. Then Preeti Mataji told us about how we can keep our body, how we can be happy, body and soul, both can be happy. And after that, we did one activity where we cut 7 strips, and on those 7 strips we wrote one seva, and we're gonna take one seva out every day and we'll perform that. And everything which you will do, the whole purpose of all the things is just to please Krishna, so that you can stay in the state of happiness. Whatever action you're doing, if you're studying, let's say right now Preeti Mataji is doing a job. So Preeti Mataji, can you give me one thing how your job is related to Krishna consciousness?
Excuse me, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, sorry to interrupt, but Mataji, actually, I have my class today, Mataji, school class. So, Mataji, can I leave? Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Of course, yes. Definitely,
Okay,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Mataji, one thing also I wanted to say that did you do any drawings related to that topic?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Okay, Mataji, please send in the group also.
Yes, sure. Definitely, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes. So, for example, I work, and in my work, I generally work upon, I make presentations for my office, and I do a lot of things. So that service I also do for the Hare Krishna Sunday School. I'm able to learn so much in my office and apply that here in Hare Krishna Sunday School for the pleasure of Krishna to serve
And
all of
Mataji,
you.
and Mataji, you also learned this Bhagavad Gita from your one of office friend.
Yes, actually, yes. So how I came into Krishna consciousness was through my office. Had it not been my office friend, I would not have been sitting here and talking to you. I would have been, I don't know what, doing what, and feeling very distressed, very unhappy, and very troubled, and
But
not
in
feeling
your case,
happy.
the parrot would have died and the cage would be totally.
Clean, yes. I would have had a golden cage, but dead parrot. Really sad.
So on this account, we're gonna end the class. I hope that. Do you have any doubts? Is anyone?
Mataji, I have folded the paper. Can you see?
Hari bol Trida. Hari bol Trida Mataji. Hari
So
bol.
can we end the class with Vaishnav Pranam mantra if we don't have any doubts?
Yes, Mataji, we
Hari
can.
bol Radhya Mataji. Hari bol. Yes, let's Panchakalpadrubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah.
Hari
Anant
Hari bol
Koti
to
Vaishnav
everyone.
Vrind
Thank
ki
you for
jai.
joining us. And
I have a doubt. I
Yes,
have a doubt. Why big Prabhujis and Mataji say Vanchakal but to us? Because we are very low in bhakti.
It's nothing like that. No one is low in bhakti. We learn everything from each other only. When I was in my when I was of your age, not exactly your age with this Prabhuji, but while I was the part of
Teenager group.
teenage
Teenager forum.
teenage forum. At that time, we don't used to have teenage forum, but we used to have IGF group for the teenage
IGF.
girl as well.
Yes.
So my mentor, Her Grace Garima Mataji, she gave one beautiful example that devotees are like, those passengers who takes you along with yourself. Okay, so there is no one lower in bhakti, no one is higher in bhakti because we are no one to choose. Krishna has chosen you. Krishna has given you the benefit to sit here and tell us so many wonderful facts. We all are learning from each other because none of us are perfect, right?
Yes.
With this, Prabhuji, was I able to clear your doubt?
Yes.
Thank you, Vidit Prabhuji. Okay, hi Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hari bol. Thank you so much for joining.
Stay safe.
Thank you, Vrinda. Hare Krishna.
Welcome, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Have a nice day ahead. Have a nice Krishna day ahead. Krishna nice day ahead.
And be happy.
Mataji, excuse me, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Gar Prabhuji.
You all can leave.
Mataji, I can't hear what we have to do in these strips.
Yes. Okay, Gar Prabhuji, आपने 7 strips cut कर ली थी.
Yes, Mataji.
अब इन 7 strips में हमें एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी लिखनी है. So for example, मैंने लिखा कि I will give water to Tulsi every day. और या मैंने लिखा कि I will help my parents. Okay, और मैंने लिखा I will offer one tulsi leaf to Krishna. I will offer one flower of fruit to Krishna. अब ये 7 एक्टिविटी चिट्स को हमें फोल्ड करना है. और हर रोज एक चिट उठाना है और उस चिट में जो एक्टिविटी लिखी है वो उस दिन करनी है. सो लेट्स से मैंने एक चिट में एक्टिविटी लिखी है कि मुझे तुलसी मैया को वाटर ऑफर करना है. तो और मैंने मंडे को ये चिट उठाई आउट ऑफ द 7 चिट. तो मुझे उस दिन ये वाली एक्टिविटी करनी है एंड आई नीड टू आस्क माय मदर कि आप मेरी फोटो खींच दो. आई नीड टू आस्क समबडी कि आप मेरी फोटो खींच दो जब मैं एक्टिविटी कर रही हूँ और आपको वो ग्रुप में भेज दूँ.
ओके माताजी, थैंक यू
बेटा. ऐसे हमें रोज अलग अलग
7 chits, 7 days, 7 समुंदर, 7 सुर, कृष्णा की बांसुरी के 7 सुर थे, और सप्त ऋषि.
Yes, 7 colors of the 7
Rainbow.
rainbow. Yes, yeah, right. So yes, 7 days, 7 activities, and we have to do one activity every day. Okay. Vrinda, is it clear to you, beta also?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Hari bol.
Mataji, if we want to do every activity every day, because I can do 2 activity in one day. The Saigans Mala and water
Totally up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You just have to finish them. That's it.
Yes.
The motto is that you have to do it.
Okay. Hari bol.
Hari
Hari
bol.
Krishna. Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day. Have a nice Krishna's day. Hari bol. Bye bye.
Hari bol.
Bye.
Bye.
Hari Krishna.